Hello, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2024 Transit Custom. Now this one is a crew cab, which also has an automatic transmission, 6 seats, all cloth line, may I add. This is a short wheelbase orange model as well. Lovely and eye-catching. It also has cruise control, hands-free cooling, and also voice assist, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, as well as a reversing camera above there, and also parking sensors upon the screen. Now I will show you the back 3 seats as well. As you can see, they are all cloth lined and they are bench seats, very ergonomically designed to give you not only enough leg room, but also enough room for your knees, and bent down, very comfortable to sit in at the back. Now I will just show you the load area as well, which is very generous for a short wheelbase crew cab. As you can see, it is not only ply line with cargoing, so tell it any load you may want to carry, but it does also come with interior lighting and an undented bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom Crew Cab in a beautiful orange, then please do feel free to check out our website. It's in the description, anchorvans.co.uk. You can head to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can discover more about this vehicle.